Hello, my family and my friends. This is Randy C. Jones again sharing with you an excerpt from my book entitled A Word in Season. Today's selection is The Blessing is on You. The text is Deuteronomy 28 verse 8. The Lord shall command the blessing upon thee in thy storehouses, and in all that thou settest thy hand unto. And he shall bless thee in the land which the Lord thy God giveth thee. It is unfortunate but true that everyone will not always be in your corner. There are those that will boldly say to your face that they do not like you. Some will act as though they do, only to get what they can out of you and then discard you as trash. There are actually people that feel they have the control over your life and the blessings that will or will not be bestowed upon you. But thank God that is not the case. God is the author and finisher of our faith and of our lives. It is He that has made us and not ourselves. We did not make ourselves, and we did not make each other. Every blessing that comes upon us and in our lives is from God. It is so in our lives because He commanded it. Once God makes a command, everything and everyone that is involved in making it happen comes into His divine order. There is nothing and no one that can stop these blessings either, because God commanded them. Therefore, take heart, take courage, and remember, you are blessed. You're blessed in the city, you're blessed in the field, you're blessed going out, and you're blessed coming in. You're blessed, you're blessed, you're blessed because God commanded it. I hope that this reading has been an encouragement to you. It is my prayer that these words would bring you comfort, strength, and encouragement. I would also ask that when you get the opportunity that you go to Amazon.com and purchase your own copy of this book, A Word in Season by Randy C. Jones. It is also available at BarnesandNoble.com. Thank you for allowing me this time to share with you, and may God continue to bless you.